we are going
Pop
to...
quiz. What's the fastest way to raise your credit score? Is it A, pay your bills on time?
So around 6, we're going to the bowling alley. So I'm going with a different set of girls. So the same girls that I went with to Vegas. So yeah, those are like my sisters. But I got invited to lunch with some girls. I'm not exactly sure who all is coming, but one of my sisters is coming. I went ahead and invited her because she was looking for a move after church. So I told her to just meet me at Red Lobster. That way I can feel a little bit more comfortable, you know, like you want to go somewhere but you don't really know who's gonna be there. So I was just like, girl, yeah, just come on. So I don't even know if she got her kids or not, but if she does, okay, whatever. I'm just about to get back on the GPS, listen to some good music, and I still have about 15 minutes to go to get there. So Sis a little bitch, sis a little hoe. I love the way you walk, love the way you talk. Let a young nigga come play in your throat, then scoop your throat till I make you choke. I wanna give to you. Love in the mouth. Hello?
Hey, you inside?
No, I'm 10 minutes away.
Oh, okay. Who is it under, Clarice?
Girl, I don't know.
Hi. I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna wait in the parking lot for you.
You got the kids? Alright, babe.
Been able to create a great network.
With a mouth like that, if you go to jail, I'ma pay that bill. Real hot girl shit. I'm about to stuff my pockets and stuff and go in. Alright. Turn the car off. Where is Elizabeth? Hey, look at you. Okay, maybe I should call her then. Oh, there she go. I see her other car. Let me ask some feet like a player. Got the LA Olay. Stop, hot that cat. Just like that. Hey, beautiful. Girl, Dillard's. I think Dillard's clearance. You know, I want to step out of the box. Step out the box a little bit. I'm vlogging today.
Yeah. Are you vlogging today?
Yeah.
Are you on right now?
I'm on right now.
Oh my God.
I got a new camera or whatever. Hello, here for Ebony. Ebony? Ebony, yeah.
Don't knock the glasses off my friend. Okay, y'all ready? It's a video. Y'all better. Hey. Y'all doing them all. So cute.
Hey, y'all. Happy birthday, Jess. We love you.
Yep.
Woo! Go, baby. Go, baby. Oh, look. Having fun, boo-boo? Wow!
I know. We can't do Puerto Rico. And Vegas. So let's do Puerto Rico. Puerto Rico.
What y'all talking about Vegas?
I said I'm going to Vegas. Okay. But this one over here said they was going to Puerto Rico.
Isn't that what Liz trying to do? And then we supposed to maybe going back for her.
Hold on. Shay going, I'm going.
Shay, you going? You going to Puerto Rico? Quentin. Girl, he's having the time of his life. Baby, this would be good though. We just gonna wear them out. What time is it? Y'all ready? Bye, DC. Bye, guys. Everyone say bye. Who is leaving? Laura, you still on the video over here. Gotcha. Y'all, we done ate good. We done drank good. We done played our game of bowling. The girls didn't get back into their game. Hey y'all, woo! Go Booger Butt! Put his arms on the thing.
Maybe laying down at that point.
Stinker Butt! That's good. Woo! Lean over again, baby, like you did. Lean to the side. Woo! I just wanted to include some clips right here of baby's second Easter. I hope you guys enjoy. Stinker Butt!
You can't say that.
Woo!
Look. Look. Hey.
Take it to Dada.
Come on, take it over Easter. Come on.
I'm trying to get his photos together, but he will not sit still. Wow, Booger Butt. He got on the jumper, you got him. Wow. And 2 Easter baskets. Wow, boo boo.
He having a good time.
Yes, he is. And I ain't got no good picture yet.
Right.
No, I've been trying to do a picture for about 30 minutes. He think it's funny to. I say, come here, take a picture. He run away. Wow.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter to you. Happy Easter, Quentin the Third. Happy Easter to you. Woo!
Hey.
I will send you some pictures. I just want you to see his outfit.
Oh.
He can finally get in it.
What y'all doing?
We about to go to an Easter egg hunt at 1 o'clock.
Look.
Oh, okay.
All right then.
Some pictures of.
I'ma try.
Oh, that's cute.
He got some little water shoes to go with it. What I do with them little water shoes? There's some little water shoes to go with it. Yeah, I made that basket.
Oh, that's cute.
I tried it for the first time. Mommy got to start getting ready. Woo! Stink of butt.